What's going on, guys? I'm over here at Garrett's. We're cleaning the dirt bike. It's my brother's dirt bike. It's been sitting in the backyard for a long time. And honestly, it's ripping pretty hard. It's running pretty good. It's a Honda XR100 XR. I don't know a whole lot about dirt bikes, but we're about to clean it up, get it all cleaned up, get it running good. So yeah. Garrett, what do you think? We're gonna do a challenge to see who breaks their bones first. So yeah, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? So yes, my dirt bike is my brother's. We're fixing it up.
We got a very clean air filter.
Here's the air filter. It's really dirty. And then right now we're just gonna take it apart, clean it up, probably clean up the carburetor, get a new air filter, change the oil. Yeah, just clean everything.
Figure everything out.
And then we're gonna get it ripping. This is super rusty. And yeah. Lastly, there is a big fuel leak in it. So probably just gonna get a new tank. But as of right now, we're probably just gonna throw some JB on it. We'll see. But yeah, stay tuned. It's pretty clean, as you can tell.
It runs pretty good.
What's going on, guys? So it started raining, as you can see, or maybe here. So dirt bike is completely just about torn up. So we're gonna start cleaning. Here's all the parts. They do.
$3.
And then we just took out the spark plug, and it needs to be replaced. Cheap little replace. Then we're gonna clean the carburetor. So as you can see, it looks really brand new. And then the fuel line going up to the fuel tank broke. And then, so we're just gonna clean up everything, make it look all shiny, get new filters, and change the oil. But yeah, what's going on, guys? So we're going to get a new spark plug. That's about it. And we're gonna clean it up. Get it cleaned up.
Is cleaning the trim pieces right now.
Garrett's dad is cleaning up the trim pieces, and we're gonna hose down the bike. And yeah, getting a new spark plug right now, and we gotta clean the air filter too. So yeah, stay tuned.
It's looking a million times better than it did.
Oh my goodness.
It looks amazing.
So good.
And here are Mom's cookies that Chase is already eating. Diabetes.
Wow.
So yeah, this is all the trim pieces, and we're gonna have to spray paint these. So yeah, we bought some spray paint to hit with that because it's stained. And then clean the air box. This is a little shin guard looking thing.
Respect your elders. Go wash your hands.
Garrett touched the door handle.
No, Chase did.
There's no washing these hands. Are you washing my hands all upstairs?
Yeah, here. Staying corona free.
Okay.
Yep, we're clean. It was very dirty. That used to be clear. It is green.
So, new spark plugs in. Cleaned it up a little bit. Painting the exhaust and cleaning it. And then this is the carburetor. Might end up just getting a new one because they're pretty cheap, but gonna go and take this apart and clean it up. So yeah, that's the update.
So I just wiped everything down with paint thinner. You can sort of see it needs some paint. Gonna hit this with a few coats, and yeah, I'll catch you then. Finished up the first coat. It's looking good. It's a flat black. It'll match the style. So yeah, it's drying. We'll catch you then. Chases. Still figuring out the carburetor is doing a good job. Just broken air needle. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? So got the carburetor all cleaned up, sitting over there, and then now we're putting in the new spark plug, but we ran into an issue. The old spark plug ring is just sitting down in there, and so it's not screwing on. Well, it screws on. The old one screws onto it, but it's not supposed to screw on. It's supposed to just clip onto that. But this won't go down in there because the old spark plug had left that in there. So now we're a little bit of an issue here, trying to get it out. But yeah, working on the handles right now. The brake is not engaging. Well, I did that, but it's not engaging because of here. It's not holding on right there.
Show them that you fixed the clutch
About to fix that. Clutch handle.
Well, it activates down here.
It's working pretty good.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So
Oil change.
didn't quite finish fixing the brakes, but probably gonna fix it tomorrow. We got a good idea what it is, and then gonna have to change out the spark plug cap, and then replace that, and then because what we were messing with earlier was actually fine. We're just breaking it basically, and then we changed the oil on it and cleaned it up pretty good. And so yeah, I'll probably be done tomorrow. Got some paint going on. So yeah, cool. I think that's good.
What is up, guys? We are back today. It's another day where live coronavirus hasn't killed us. Here's Chase looking like a fruitcake. So he's cleaning off the gas tank right now. We spray painted this piece gold. It looks sort of fly, and it goes like right here. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. Today, we got to figure out a few things. But yeah, gonna work on the brakes. Got to get an air filter, try and find a spark plug boot. Keep cleaning stuff, keep painting stuff. Put it back together today. And yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. We're at the car wash. Gonna do something like that. Yep, we got the bike. Gonna clean her down, she's a little dirty. So yeah. I'll catch you when it's clean. So just finished up. Looks pretty clean. So yeah, that was the thumbnail. So yeah, she looks good, nice and pretty. So yeah, those turned out pretty good too, not gonna lie. So yeah. So probably gonna go home now. So yeah, see you then. We are back. Just washed the dirt bike. It looks pretty clean. Here's the fruitcake himself.
I was about to look at the camera. All right, what's up? So yeah, we're back. And I just want everybody to know we're about to get this thing ripping. So stay tuned. That's all you need to know.
So we got
parts ordered though.
So we ordered. So you know we'll come over here. Something fell. This thing.
We're just gonna rip it without front brakes.
Yeah, this thing's shot, so we're not using front brakes tonight.
Did you already look at it?
Yeah, it's. So yeah, we bought the spark plugs that this guy recommended. Super nice guy. He got us some steals and deals. So yeah, we're gonna start putting it back together, hopefully figuring out where everything goes, and then yeah, put all the, oh yeah, those turned out really good, by the way. But yeah, I think my dad got some red spray paint for us too, so we're gonna maybe spray paint the back trim pieces, but not tonight. Tonight we're trying to drive it. We got the air filter ordered. We got, what else did we order? Brake.
We got a new fuel line.
Oh yeah, we got a new fuel line too because the other one was breaking.
Put it on there, man.
Yeah, we can probably cut it. But yeah, we bought new front brakes for right here.
Just leave it like that.
So yeah, we're gonna get this bread real quick, so stay tuned and we will catch you in a little bit. So we have got the bike back together.
Everything except the front brakes.
Cut the front brakes. That's coming in tomorrow. We don't need those.
Whoa, what?
We just filled it up. The gas tank is not leaking. We JB welded it. It looks bougie. We're looking good. The white turned out amazing. That's fingerprints, don't worry. Like, we're looking fresh. Hi, Dad. But yeah, so we just filled it up, and we legit haven't started it yet. So Chase, new spark plugs are in. Chase about to kick start it, and make sure you wanna go in the driveway first. The choke on. Oh!
No, it's not on.
Oh, she wants to fire. Woo! Let it rip once you get in the driveway. Punch it. I know. We did. Woo! So yeah, it's definitely running a lot better than it did. It is zooming right now, so I think we just got us a new toy to play with. I think Chase is pretty happy. So yeah, he is just ripping it up and down the driveway right now. So yeah, it's safe to say that this was a mission success. So yeah. What is up, vlog? We are back. Hey, there's Garrett.
What's up?
There's Chase. So the parts we ordered, the new brake cable came in, and the air filter came in. So we're about to put those on. Yeah, Garrett can film it. Turn it. There you go. Yeah. New cables. We're about to put these on. Once we get these on, pretty much everything will be done with the bike. Besides replacing this brake handle up front, it cracked, or the clutch cable.
It's cracked right here.
Clutch handle.
That's already ordered though.
So yeah, and then we just got our next vehicle we got to do. It's a Trailmaster Dune buggy. So that'll be fun. So yeah, we'll put these on real quick and get back with you. Ready?
Just breathe. told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elder's waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that fun stuff, and follow our Instagram because it's lit. All right, thank you.